Want to stay ahead in 2025 as a creator? Here are 5 AI tools that are changing how content gets made. Use them and you'll look like a pro, even without showing your face. Tool 1. Runway Gen-4. Tool number 1 is Runway Gen-4. It can generate consistent characters and scenes across your video using reference images and text prompts. Bonus, it even lets you edit objects and lighting across scenes. I use it when I need a custom animation or background that looks seamless. Tool 2. YouTube's VO3. Tool number 2 is VO3 by Google's YouTube. It's already being built into Shorts. You can turn simple text prompts into short videos with sound. Blog.YouTube. For creators, this means you can skip hours of editing for Shorts and let AI do the heavy lifting. Tool 3. Synthesia for AI Avatar Video. Tool number 3 is Synthesia, or other AI avatar tools. Instead of live filming, you can generate an avatar to speak your script. Many creators use this for faceless explainer videos. If you don't want to animate scenes or you want a human-looking voice avatar, this is your pick. Tool 4. InVideo. Tool number 4, InVideo. These tools turn blog posts, scripts, or URLs into videos with stock footage, transitions, and text overlays. Beethoven. When you have content already in text form, e.g. blog, newsletter, this tool helps repurpose fast. Tool 5. Descript. Finally, Tool 5 is Descript. You can edit your video like you edit text, delete a sentence, the video clip is removed. It's perfect when you want minimal manual editing. Use it to polish your videos without jumping into complicated editors. Pro tip, you don't need all of these, pick 2 or 3 tools that fit your style and build around them. If you want me to deep dive on any of these, comment which one, and I'll make that next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more AI tools you can use today.